We're here today at the Silverstone racetrack and we are taking this opportunity to connect with our customers and people who know Beamex very well and people perhaps who don't know Beamex so very well. Calibration Awareness and Learning is the letters that we use for CAL, but I think it's gone a bit beyond that now, and it's become more of a general meeting associated with people who are passionate about metrology and calibration.
Just looking at buying some new test equipment for our site, fairly new established site. Just trying to look at the capabilities of some of the Beamex equipment, how we can integrate that into our business. I think the breakout sessions have been good, and actually having the kit on site to look at and really interrogate, and that Q&A side of it, yeah, got some good knowledgeable guys here who've got good understanding of the kit.
It's been broken up nicely, the introductions were very good, and so it's seemed it's blended quite nicely with the breakout sessions we've had.
I came today to look at the software side of things. Really impressed with what I've seen. We use CMX and I'm hoping to expand on that. And it was really exciting to see the Logical software and the B-Mobile software.
I've used Beamex products for a number of years, but it was quite nice to come along, to sort of talk to other people in the industry, as well as look at some of the new technologies that Beamex are releasing.